Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to try for Lexmark. This here for Surya. This here you type here for the driver tool, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website, you click here. This one. And this here for official website, you click scroll down. You're looking for the title driver and support. Click here for the title. Uh, Driver and support. Click here. This here for the title, a driver and tool. You click here for the title, and this here for search uh, by the face model. This here for your the face model. You scroll down. This here for you type your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. This here for support your recommended driver for me. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, for the Windows, for the Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13. This here for support update for the driver, and this here for your Mac 10. This here or your driver. I'm sure for the Mac 12, and this here for Mac 12, you're looking that release, and this here for the new that release support your driver, and this here for the language English language English sport, and this here for actual life sport operating system. This here for driver print. If you need to download, you click here for the title. You click here for the button start download, and this here for the driver download. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, you click here. This here for the Fedora new Fedora version, Fedora 20 24 25 20 27 28 29. This here for the Fedora version, and this is for the Debian version for OpenSSL, Red Hat, and this is for you to support much support your the Linux version. And I'm sure for the Windows, and this video I need to download driver for the Windows 11, and you're looking for version, and this here for the Windows 11 support, and this here for Windows 10 support, and this here for Windows 7 support driver, Windows 8 support driver, and this here for the Windows Server support driver. And this video I need to download driver for Windows 11 and install driver for Windows 11. Looking here, this here for the Windows 11 support, and this here for the new that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English support. And I'm recommendation for you to download for the universal driver package, and this here for package support your software firmware, and this here for your driver scanner for the universal driver, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and this here for you click here, and click here for the button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC to type USB cable printer, and please wait finish the for the load. If you finish the for the load, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, finish this here for the type button takes your USB cable printer. So if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.